What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? Nick here with a quick video on how to remove the filter from a Bosch dishwasher to clean it. So the exact model that we're looking at is right here. If you check the inside door, at least that's where it is on mine, you can see this is a Bosch. I'm not going to read out that model number, but you can match it up and see if it's similar. I'm guessing if you have a Bosch, it probably uses a similar filter anyways. But all you got to do is just go ahead and pull out the bottom tray just so you can get access to the filter down there. And you can see here that right now these two little black arrows line up. So when that's lined up, it's locked in place. I can't remove it or do anything with it right there. If we go ahead and rotate this counterclockwise, it doesn't have to go too far, only like maybe an inch or so. And then it'll just pop right out. And this is a 3-piece filter. So on the bottom side here is the actual, I guess, main filter. If you pop that off, you can see mine's already pretty clean. I clean it about once every month or so. I'm sure there's a science out there on when exactly it should be cleaned, but that's about how often I clean mine. I usually just pop this off and then I'll use like a bottle brush and I'll just kind of lightly go around the inside and outside, or if it's not too dirty, I'll just spray it down. That is the first piece of this 3-piece section. At minimum, you want to at least clean that, but usually what I'll do is I'll also pop this off because it gets a lot of grime underneath here. So there is, on the bottom side, there's two little clips. There's a little clip right there, a little clip right there. All you do is just press those in and this pops right out. And then I'll just clean the underside of this, and then this right here is the spot that gets really nasty if you don't know to remove that and clean it. So, and then obviously to put this back together, I'm going to do this with one hand here, so the camera's going to be funky for a second. Just go ahead and pop that back down. It should snap into place. There we go. And you'll see that this just kind of rotates freely here right now. It doesn't actually catch on anything until you stick it back down in the hole over there. Flip this around. Pop the filter back down, you'll hear it click into place. This can only go back in one way. You see there's kind of a short side and a wider side. The short side just goes towards the back. So just go ahead and put that towards the back. You should feel it just drop down into place. If you don't have it turned all the way, sometimes they'll kind of stick there. So you just kind of turn this back to the same spot that you had it when you initially took it out. And then it should just kind of slide right back down there into place. There we go. And then all we got to do is rotate this clockwise to lock it back in place, and it is that simple. Now you can see it's stuck back in there again. And a little bonus, just in case you didn't know this, so this specific model does have an adjustable top rack. So this right here is the lever that you use to adjust this. All you do is you push this in and you can lift it up or down to change the height. And that just catches on the inside in here. You can see, right, if we lift up this tray, right here, this bar, it catches, there's like 3 different levels, I think, that it catches on. So if we lift this back up, yeah, you see, right, get out of the way, tray. Right there's a little clip that it rests on. So that is it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and toss it down below. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one.